Our Storm Watch team coverage. Roberta Gonzalez is tracking snow in the Bay Area mountains, and the Sierra ski resorts closed because of too much snow. But first, KPIX 5's Ann Makovec is live at the Russian River in Guerneville, monitoring the massive floods in that area. Ann?
Well, the sun is peeking out here and the Russian River is receding. But as you can see from this mini golf clubhouse here behind me, there is still plenty of flooding in low-lying areas after the river crested yesterday, almost 6 feet above flood stage. A walk through floodwaters is like a walk in the park for Dave Hale, finally freed from his upstairs apartment.
I feel stir crazy, you know. I've been trapped up there for several days.
The first thing he did, start helping the downstairs businesses get back on their feet.
It's just an all-day process of cleaning up after a storm.
The Russian River crested yesterday at 37.8 feet. These are pictures from Sky Drone 5. And there's plenty of storm damage around Guerneville today, like these downed trees at a mobile home park. Underneath them, a crushed car. Further down River Road, vineyards soaking in several feet of river runoff as floodwaters greet people on their way into town. Today, kayakers are out helping neighbors.
Bringing groceries and water because they've been stranded for 3 days.
A rescue mission before Katie Guglielmino starts to clean up.
At my house, we have to power wash and throw everything away that's downstairs that we didn't move.
You can see by the movement in this floodwater that the river runoff is receding. By the end of the day today, it should be back down to flood level 32 feet. And locals like Daryl Bushkin swear it could have been worse.
The last time it was up to there, 10 feet inside. That's when there was a few $1,000s gone.
But everyone we spoke with agrees they are here to stay.
It's part of living out here. I wanted to live out here. I chose to live out here. I'm happy.
Here is a comparison to show just how much the floodwaters have receded in the past 24 hours. This is what the gorilla at the Pee Wee mini golf course looked like at noon yesterday. And back out here live, this is what the gorilla looks like today. Hey, we might see his whole body by the time the early evening hours hit. We are drying out. Live in Guerneville, Ann Makovec, KPIX 5.